Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can completely uninstall the Roblox from your PC. So there are two methods and the second method I recommend you. So the first method is you can go to the Windows search, simply type the add or remove programs and now open it. Here you just need to search for the Roblox, click on it, simply click on the uninstall. So this is the very simple method to delete it and also remove the program files of the Roblox from your PC, so you need to just wait for it until it was uninstall. Then you can simply go to the Windows side, type the run and open it. Here you just need to type the percent local app data percent and then simply click on the OK. Now here you just need to search for the Roblox folder, and when you find it you can just right click on it and simply click on the delete. But this method is not going to delete the Roblox completely from your PC. So I can again install the Roblox again and I will show you how you can delete it or completely uninstall it from your PC. So first you need to open up your any browser, search for the Ravo uninstaller and just open up the first website which is the Ravo uninstaller, and once it was open and click on the download option, then here you will see that it's freeware pro or pro portable. Click on the free download, then just simply go to the download, scroll down, you will see the Ravo setup. Just click on it, click on the OK, click on the I accept, click on the next option. If you want a shortcut, then check this box, click on the next, click on the install. And the best part is this is only the 6 MB software. So I have already installed it. I am just opening it up. So once you open it up here, you just need to find the Roblox. And when you find the Roblox from here, you just need to right click on that, click on the uninstall. And if you want a system restore point, then just check this box, then simply click on the continue. But I recommend you to uncheck this. Then it will give you the scanning modes, then you can simply select the advanced, and if you select the advanced then it will scan anything related to the Roblox on your PC. Then first it will give you all the registry items related to the Roblox, and here you will see the keys are the 15 found and the values is the 30 found, and these are all the registry items. Click on the select all, click on the delete, then click on the next option, and once you click on the next here it will find all the leftover files or the folders related to the Roblox. And here you will see there is the 244 folders found, the files is the 3489 found. And don't worry, these are all the files or the folder related to the Roblox. You need to just delete them all if you want to uninstall the Roblox from your PC. So you just need to simply click on the select all, then just simply click on the delete. So now the Roblox is completely uninstalled from your PC. And guys, this is how you can do that. And if you find this video helpful, so please make sure you like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.